open your browser, place the remix link, the workflow link, and wait a second, it will open the full workflow. Here you can just explore here as a viewer, you can see everything, you can generate it, videos, and yeah. To remix this to use on your generations, just click this more icon and click on the remix flow and choose the project and click fork. It will fork it. Now, as you can see, this is in your workflow. You can change the title, for example, liquid glass remix, and you can also publish this. For example, you can let's create the video and connect the sticks here. Now we can generate another video for this back in this style, and you can publish this. Click on publish. Let's publish it. Copy the link and you can share with anyone so they can also remix your workflow. Now that's all for today. See you in the upcoming tutorial.